Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily add screen recording shortcut to the control center. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up settings. Then scroll down for a bit until you find Control Center, and now at More Controls section you have to find Screen Recording, and then just hit at that plus sign to move it to Included Controls. Now you can open up Control Center. As you can see, screen recording shortcut is now located right there. You can just tap on that, and after 3 seconds countdown it will start recording a screen. You can identify that screen is being recorded by this red highlight of your time at top left corner. In any time, if you want to stop screen recording, you can tap right here and then hit add stop. Also, from here you can change the order of these shortcuts. You can just drag it up or down in that way. Let's say I want to place it at the very first position. That means that screen recording shortcut is now located at the very first position on the control center. Also, from here you can easily remove a shortcut. Just hit at that minus sign and then hit add remove. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.